I used to waste hours every Sunday meal prepping 15 to 20 meals of the same exact meal. You know exactly what I'm talking about too. Chicken, rice, broccoli. Just to be super into it. But by day 4, 5, that Thursday, Friday comes around, that chicken kind of tastes super rubbery. It's very chewy. You just get old of it. Even if you stuck your meals in the freezer and you heated them up one by one so they stay fresher, you just get really old of it and you feel like you've just wasted so many hours on a Sunday, half your day, sometimes more. When you end up tossing most of them out, you go out to eat, life gets in the way, whatever happens, right? Now, I figured out a way to do it much better. Eventually, it took me a long time to figure out, but I was able to because I did it in a systematic approach when I cooked in the military for a couple hundred people. Now, to cook for that many people efficiently over months and months out at sea, you had to do it with a process in place. And the main core concept that we figured out to, bring in a couple hundred people who have limited options what to eat out at sea. We used to joke around a lot and say they have one restaurant to choose from, and sometimes they didn't enjoy it, right? So you had to do something pretty simple that you might already do somewhat in your home. Think of theme nights. So Marinara Monday, Taco Tuesday, a couple out of several different iterations of it. And by Taco Tuesday, I don't mean you have to alternate through chicken tacos, beef tacos, fish tacos. It can be enchiladas, burritos, Spanish rice bowl, whatever kind of theme night, but it fits some kind of category. And what that does, it takes the guesswork out of that dreaded question everybody deals with across the nation and the world. What's for dinner? After a really long day of making decisions all day, that's the exact last question you want to ask yourself or your spouse or whoever is in your family, right? So to make it a little more manageable, much more manageable, use category or theme nights. Marinara Monday, Taco Tuesday, Wellness Wednesday is a big one. We used to do turkey meatloaf, tuna salad, that kind of stuff. Some kind of healthy dish. Stir Fry Thursday, then I'll have to start with the first letter of the name of the day. Fish Friday, that's another one. But whatever version it is for you, it could be anything. Just stick to some kind of category. It could be protein heavy Monday. It could be um, meatless Monday. Whatever version of it for you works your diet and your preference. It doesn't really matter that much. The main concept is to make it simple. So instead of deciding what you're going to cook, deciding the recipes, which is 90% of the struggle of meal planning that almost everybody fails at because they don't follow this kind of structure. Instead, you're plugging into that category, that theme night. So if I'm thinking through Marinara Monday, I'm not coming up with, I'm not searching my internal database of 100, 200 recipes or scrolling through Pinterest or TikTok, finding the perfect recipe or all my cookbooks, whatever. I'm thinking, all right, what fits into the category of the theme night of Marinara Monday? It could be super simple. It could be jarred marinara sauce. Sorry, Grandma. I got a good one though. Michael's a Brooklyn super bomb. But anyways, it could be jarred marinara sauce with spaghetti. That's a go-to my wife and I do all the time. Dry spaghetti. It's a staple. It stays in the pantry all the time. It's a good backup meal as well. But it could be lemon garlic pasta. It could be lasagna, baked ziti, whatever. It could be mac and cheese. Whatever it is, it fits some kind of category. Taco Tuesday could be beef tacos, chicken tacos, outside of the taco room, enchiladas like we talked about before, right? A rice bowl, whatever version of it fits what you're looking for. The cool part is once you start dialing this in, it's something to look forward to each week. So my wife and I, we do Thursday nights. My wife picks the recipe, something fun she saw on TikTok or Pinterest or something like that, and we make a little date night of it. So it's something to look forward to. Wednesday night, almost every Wednesday, we watch Survivor. We're in the middle of catching up on season 50, so no spoiler alerts, please. But we get takeout from sushi. It's almost every Wednesday, something to look forward to. Marinara Monday, for instance. That's something that you can plug into Monday night. That is usually one of the tougher weeknights. Mondays kind of suck sometimes. So that just makes it on autopilot. We hit up the pantry. Sometimes we get some fresh bread to go with it. Sometimes we don't. It's just super easy though. It's mindless and you get to enjoy the rest of your night. You get to decompress with your family, your friend, your spouse, your kids, whoever it may be. And you get to sleep much better knowing that meal's already planned. You wake up fresh, rested, ready to crush your morning workout if that's your thing. If not, whatever it is. But the main point of this is to reduce decisions throughout the week, because the weeknight is one of the toughest one where that decision fatigue gets held up and compounds into ruining your whole week or your month or your year ahead. Now, I created a free system, free 5-day meal planning system. You can grab them in the link below. Delivered over emails. It's very solid and it's actionable tips throughout. So check that out. But also another bonus tip here. Now, leftovers. We're talking, let's use Marinara Monday as the example. So say we cook, so my wife and I, household of 2 right now, 2 dogs too. We don't feed them pasta though, but we'll cook 3 to 4 servings of pasta. I'll stick a serving or 2 in a freezer bag. I'll date it. I'll pop it in the freezer for maybe the next week, maybe 2 weeks from now, maybe 3 to 5 weeks from now, whenever it is that, say, a random Thursday night, we're just completely swamped. Or, for instance, last night I had a random HOA meeting I attended. Whatever it may be, something gets in the way. I pop that freezer meal in the microwave or the oven or the pan, whatever it is. Then I've got dinner ready to go in 5 to 7 minutes, whatever it takes to heat it up, basically. Total lifesaver. Try to keep track of what's in your freezer inventory. Some kind of process, use your notepad, notes app, whatever it may be, or just use the simple FIFO rule. So first in, first out, meaning if I cooked a pasta dish 3 weeks ago, and then I cooked a soup and put it in the freezer last night, I'm going to use that pasta from 3 weeks ago before last night's soup. First in, first out, that enables you to use your freezer correctly. Doing that the simple way, just stick the soup from last night behind the pasta. So whatever is in the front, that's the first out. First in, first out, you know what I mean? Very simple concept, but very easy to follow through on and actually use. So try this out next week. Let me know in the comments if you use it, or if you have a theme night already. I bet a lot of you do Taco Tuesday. We grew up doing the hard-shelled, ground beef version. When I joined the Coast Guard, I learned what more traditional style Mexican taco was. But I don't know, curious, share your stories down below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and check out this video next.